Welcome students, I am going to teach you Climate of India Part 2. I have already taught you Part 1 in previous video. So today I am going to teach you Part 2. First students, before I starting this chapter, what do you mean climate? Climate means climate is the state of a atmosphere for a long period of time. That means more than 30 years above. You know, I have already told you Indian climate is tropical monsoon type of climate. Previous class I have discussed introduction climate of country based on four factors: temperature, rainfall, atmospheric pressure, direction of winds, and also but Indian climate is generally influenced by two factors: Tropic of Cancer and Great Himalaya Range, and also variation and contrast in climate. I have taught you temperature condition during summer and second also teach you rainfall. Today I will teach you factors affecting temperature. Okay, now let's start. I will teach you through a map. Consequently, you can understand comfortably through a map. Basically, students, factors of affecting the temperature: location, influence the Himalaya, altitude, distance from the sea, western disturbance. Okay, let's go to map. First, location. Latitude wise, the Tropic of Cancer latitude wise, the Tropic of Cancer divided into half of country. Tropic of Cancer divided into two sphere. So first is temperature, tropical zone. So students, northern part, southern part. Okay, northern part of India is occupied by high mountain range, Himalaya mountain range. High mountain range, the places situated north of Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of our country. This area, north area, this area, south area. So, Tropic of Cancer experience continental type of climate. The southern continental type of climate means in the summer season too much hot, in the winter season too much cold. On the other hand, southern side, this area enclosed three sides of Arabian Sea. You know, three side water, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Experience moderate type of climate. That means neither hot nor cold. Moderate type of climate. Students, generally temperatures north to south equable climate. That means temperatures when you comes to southern side, temperature increases. Why does it increase? Because equator is very nearer. Okay, so that this area is too much hot. Okay, increases equable climate. Generally, temperatures when you come to north to south, the temperature generally increases. Okay, because of equator. Second thing, influence of the Himalaya. Students, Himalaya is located here. Okay, so the Himalaya range obstruct the bitter cold. Here bitter cold wind comes from Siberian area that protect bitter cold Siberia from entering the Indian subcontinent. The Himalaya region do not enter this cold wind. It is protected. Second thing, when south, we have two types of monsoon. One is southwest monsoon, another is northeast monsoon. Okay, southwest monsoon comes from, it originate from Arabian Sea. It originate from Arabian Sea. It blows from southwest to northeast. Okay, so Himalaya range, when this monsoon intercept Himalaya, here rain bearing southwest monsoon wind, forcing them to shed their moisture and resulting into heavy rainfall. When the wind intercept here, it will bring heavy rainfall here, so that it is called southwest monsoon. This area, okay, this area heavy rainfall. Second is altitude. The sea. Distance from the sea, students, this is Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. Okay, so this area is coastal area, more than 6,000 kilometer, more than, from Gujarat, Run of Kutch, Gujarat to West Bengal. This is coastal belt area. Students, this area is interior area. You will see continental type of climate here. continental type of climate because it is interior area, it is distance from the sea. Okay, so that means continental means during the summer too much hot, during the winter too much cold. But student, this area coastal belt you face equable climate due to land bridge and sea bridge. Land bridge and sea bridge, which means goes from land to sea. That is called land bridge, which comes from sea to land. Sea bridge. Okay. Fourth is western disturbance. Western disturbance and tropical cyclone. Students, during winter there is an inflow of low pressure depression called ocean depression. Low pressure depression means ocean disturbance in northwest India, this area. So the Australian depression originated in Mediterranean Sea. This area, Mediterranean Sea. When entered into India after crossing Iraq and Afghanistan, Pakistan, they intensify over intercept here Himalaya region, causing rainfall here Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand of some area, and here bringing snow, the belt of Himalayan area. Second is tropical depression. Students, during this summer the whole of eastern coast area, this is eastern zone, east coast area, Bay of Bengal, here is Bay of Bengal, this area. Okay, Bay of Bengal. Tropical depression, low pressure system originated during summer. Recently, today news, that low pressure has been originated at the head of Bay of Bengal. Till now, it has not been predicted that where does it go. It may be go to Bangladesh, and Bangladesh comes to, it may be here, it may be touch coastal belt of Odisha, may be touch Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so during the summer the whole of east coast India comes under the influence of tropical depression, low pressure system originated at the head of the Bay of Bengal. They cause heavy loss to life and property. We have been facing always. Okay, so today we read factors affecting the temperature. Now students, class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.